So hi guys, welcome to Chart Traders channel for tomorrow trade setup. So the caption what I mentioned here is, can we see more bear on the expiry day? So let's look at the chart whether we're going to see further downside or it's going to recover. Before that, note down guys, our channel is only for educational purpose. So if you're trading, please contact your finance advisor. So let me change my screen to Nifty chart. Okay, so give me a minute. Hope you guys are able to see my Nifty chart. So as expected, so it was below this 18,120 levels today. Then it started falling down. Then it has exacted this support of 17,880 levels. So that was our level, and I was also mentioned if it doesn't sustain, it can fill this gap. So for tomorrow, if it again doesn't sustain this 17,880, there is a high chance it can fill this gap, and we can see further downside till 17,730. So downside, I'm expecting these two levels for tomorrow. On the upside, if it open positive, there's a high chance it can again reach 18,000. Okay, so that's a very strong resistance for tomorrow if you look the overhead also. So the levels that you need to watch is 18,000, and if it doesn't sustain this 17,880, you can expect the further downside 17,850, 800 levels. And if even this 800 doesn't sustain, then we can see further downside till 17,730. So that's the reason I mentioned more bear can we see on the expiry, because if it doesn't sustain, we can see this level, and the resistance, strong resistance, is 18,000. Let's look at the bank nifty chart. Okay, so we have a resistance as 38,100 levels. At this level, that's in resistance here. So it need to break this. Okay, so once it break, then we can expect 38,300 levels. And if it open negative again below this 38,000 or 37,970, then we can expect it can again come back to 37,600 levels. So this is a trend line which is trying to take a support. So if it doesn't hold this 37,970, then we can see further downside till 37,600 levels. This is the level which I am expecting. On the higher side, it need to break this resistance 38,100, then we can expect 38,380 levels on bank nifty. So that's about the expiry on nifty and bank nifty chart analysis. Let's look at the OI data, what the OI data says. Okay, so if you look at the nifty OI data, very strong resistance 18,000, so it need to break this, then only we can see further upside, but that's in resistance. On the downside, still we can expect 17,800 on the downside. So bank nifty over data, a very strong support 38,000. If it fails to hold this, then easily we can expect 37,500 levels, and resistance is 38,500, you can see here. So that's the level which you can look for tomorrow as per the word data. So let's look at the stock for tomorrow. Before that, this is our training program guys. If you are really interested, you can contact me. This is my telegram id hemant369, and this is the topic which you're going to cover. So let's look at the stock for tomorrow. BML, so that's an resistance here. So once it's break this resistance is 1180 1860 64. So once it break this, we can see further upside. Next stock is Axis Bank. Axis Bank is trying to break this resistance from yesterday. So you can remember yesterday also I gave this call from when it was around 717. So that was our target. It's exact at this resistance. Once it break this 730, right, we can see further upside till 740. Then Century Textile is looking weak, and if it fails to hold this 955, then we can see further downside till 930 levels. Next is Godfrey Phillips. So you need to watch the price above 1150. So once it break, then we can see further upside to 1160, 1180 levels on this. So that's about the stock. So, sir, there's a query on Vedanta and can finance. So let me change to trading view. VDL looks weak. VDL, let me check that. Vedanta. So if you look at the Vedanta, it was sideways completely today. It was ranging around 228, 30 range. Okay, so it is still on the sideways. So the what I'm expecting it can come further till 314. So once it breaks today high, that is 330. Okay, I can remove this. So 330, that's a resistance here. Once it break, then we can see further upside. For now, this will be a support. 313 or 14 is a support, this trend line. So if it break this, you should be very careful. The next support is 300 levels. Next is Can Finance. So it's showing some positive. So if it open positive tomorrow, it need to move above this 620 levels. Then we can expect 630. The support is for this is 596. 596 is very strong support. If it fails to break this, then we should be very careful. Okay. So now we can consider this is a resistance. Once it break, we can see further upside. 630 and 660 will be the highest level which you can expect if it break this 630 levels. So that's about the stocks and the queries, guys. Thank you for watching our chart traders channel. See you on the next video, and happy trading. Take care. Thanks for your time, and all these levels in the chart will be shared in our chart traders at 369 telegram channel. See you on the next video. Happy trading. Cheers. Bye.